your help, I place all the product links in the description. The Dash Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer is a top-of-the-line cold press juicer that is designed to extract the maximum amount of juice from fruits and vegetables while retaining their natural flavors and nutrients. This juicer is easy to use, clean, and comes with a host of accessories that make it one of the most versatile and convenient juicers on the market. One of the standout features of the Dash Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer is its masticating technology. Unlike traditional juicers that use blades to extract juice, this juicer uses a slow, grinding motion to extract juice from produce. This method of juicing is much gentler on the produce and helps to preserve its natural nutrients and enzymes. Additionally, because the juice is extracted slowly, there is less oxidation and foaming, resulting in a smoother and more flavorful juice. Another great feature of the Dash Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer is its compact size, measuring just 11.5 x 5.5 x 14 inches. This juicer is small enough to fit on most kitchen countertops, yet powerful enough to extract juice from even the toughest of fruits and vegetables. Additionally, this juicer is incredibly easy to assemble and disassemble, making it a great choice for busy individuals who want to enjoy fresh juice without spending a lot of time cleaning up. When it comes to cleaning, the Dash Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer is a breeze. The juicer comes with a special brush that makes it easy to remove any leftover pulp or residue from the juicing chamber. Additionally, all of the juicer's removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a snap. This is a huge advantage over other juicers that require extensive cleaning and can be difficult to take apart and put back together. Another great feature of the Dash Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer is its frozen attachment. This attachment allows you to make delicious, healthy sorbets and frozen treats using the leftover pulp from your juicing. Simply freeze the pulp in the provided cup and then attach it to the juicer to create a delicious and nutritious frozen dessert. Finally, the Dash Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer comes with a juice recipe guide that includes a variety of delicious and healthy juice recipes. This guide is perfect for anyone who is new to juicing or who wants to try out new recipes and flavors. In conclusion, the Dash Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer is a top-of-the-line cold-pressed juicer that is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy fresh, healthy juice without spending a lot of time and effort. With its compact size, easy cleaning, and versatile accessories, this juicer is sure to become a favorite in any kitchen. So if you're looking for a high-quality juicer that is easy to use and delicious, nutrient-rich juice, the Dash Deluxe Compact Masticating Slow Juicer is definitely worth considering.